Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. Today I'm excited to show you my new artwork related to human anatomy. Here, this piece portrays the superficial anatomy of the anterior abdominal wall and reveals different parts when dissected. Here you have already started seeing the final artwork, and as you continue watching, you will see how I created each part from those impressive parts in the human body. If it's your first time to be here, welcome. If not, it's always a pleasure to have you here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now it's the perfect time to do it, and we really appreciate you. Let's jump right into the video. I started with a pencil where each line was meant to show how my artwork would take shape. Next comes the blue pen stage. I applied different techniques, and one day I'll show you all those techniques. After completing the pen work, I moved on to paints. I mixed primary colors to achieve the desired tones. That is how the muscles are coming to life. Do you see? I began with a background color. Then I continued with the fascia, fats and sheath, again starting with a background color. I added some layers with my artistic brush to bring out the right effect while drawing the muscles. That is how the muscles are coming to life. Do you see? That's how the muscles stand out. Do you see? Okay, alright. The most interesting part is this. Many asked how I created the fats in my artwork. And here is, first of all, I mixed primary colors. Then I added muted red, some white, and a touch of black. Finally, I finished my artwork feeling happy.